y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and for stopping by. Okay, so first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My old time subbies, y'all know how I feel. I love y'all so very much. So we have some new products. Okay, all right, let's get into it. So this is the MICHE line. We have a leave-in conditioner, a hydrating and twisting butter. Okay, they also have a hair and scalp oil. All right, and they also have a deep conditioner. Now they are coming out with a shampoo and a gel, and I cannot wait to try those because y'all know I'm a gel person, and I'm gonna tell y'all right now in the very beginning of this video that I love these products. So stay tuned. You guys know that I went ahead and washed my hair, obviously. All right, this is how it's looking, real dry. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and deep condition. So I'm taking their Indulge Deep Conditioner. Now, one thing, y'all, I have to say about this now, it is made with raw honey and babasu oil. Now, babasu oil, if you're unaware, it's really good for nourishing your hair and your scalp. So it's just kind of good to get some babasu oil in your life and in your deep conditioner because it's just really, really great for the hair.
That bless me.
It smells like, oh my god, it smells like
Candy. I can feel it when you walk.
candy. That's my song. But anyway, so back to this deep conditioner, you guys. Because it's made with raw honey, we know that's a humectant. And then because it's made with babasu oil, we know it's nourishing our strands. And look how thick this is. Okay, y'all. So if you have thicker hair than me, longer hair, whatever, you really can just use a little bit more than I'm using it, and it will still be effective and give you effective results. Y'all, when I say this stuff is the truth, I am not exaggerating. The fact that it's only in an 8-ounce jar, that's not really a whole lot of product, but because this is so thick, a little goes a long way. And then you're getting excellent benefits out of this deep conditioner. So that's what I really look for when I'm deep conditioning my hair, is something that's going to hydrate and not just sit on my hair. And let me just say, there's no silicones, no drying alcohols, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no synthetic colors, no phthalates, which are used to make plastic, and no animal testing, y'all. Like, hold on, hold my mule. Y'all, like, after my last video, this is refreshing, okay? Like, super refreshing to hear that, okay?
Okay.
So y'all, like, pleasantly surprised, didn't know what to expect, but I'm so glad that I tried the deep conditioner. So glad I tried this line. Deep conditioner is truth. I have no complaints at all. I thought I was gonna complain about the size, but like I said, the consistency allows for you to, you know, not have to use a whole bunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my shower cap. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and deep condition. Went ahead and got my little hot head. It was real hot. Okay, I'm trying to be cute, but I just let that one go. So put on my hot head, y'all, and I really wanted to just do it for what it said, 30 to 45 minutes, but I ended up doing it for like an hour and a half, if I'm just being honest, which ain't gonna hurt you, not gonna hurt your head. Okay, moving on. All right, so rinsed it out. Look at my curls, shiny and defined, just off of a deep conditioner. Ain't God good? Won't he do it? Okay. We're gonna go ahead and get into this leave-in conditioner. It's made with aloe vera and avocado oil, which we know are awesome ingredients. This is actually a 3-in-1 conditioner that's supposed to moisturize, detangle, and soften dry hair. Okay, again, I'm just showing you guys the back where it says the claims of not having any silicones and alcohols and sulfates and all that horrible stuff that we're always putting in our hair and not really realizing it. The third ingredient, however, is this ingredient, which I looked up, and it said it's just used to provide a slippery feel to really help with detangling. So please research your ingredients thoroughly and don't just rely on what I said. But I wanted to throw that one in there because that is the third ingredient. All right. So I was happy with seeing all the ingredients on the list. They got a thumbs up from me. All right, but you know, you have to do what works for you. You know, research on your own and come to your conclusion. But for me, these products are A+, okay? The leave-in conditioner was awesome. It's your typical consistency, like a lotion, not too thin, not too heavy. It was like the perfect consistency, especially if you're going to be doing like a twist out or a braid out. I feel like you get that amount of conditioning to where it's not going to weigh your hair down, but it will give you some definition and some hydration. So it is 3-in-1, so it is moisturizing, it is detangling, and it is softening your dry hair. So y'all, you guys can totally see that my hair is so hydrated. My curls are shiny, defined just after using a deep conditioner and a leave-in. So I was hyped, y'all. Okay. So moving on to the Quench Hydrating and Twisting Butter. I'm gonna be honest, I was skeptical. I'm like, this ain't gonna do nothing for my hair. But anyway, y'all, it's made with cacao.
What?
Okay. Cucumber butter, all right? So it's like from a plant, I believe, and it's green tea extract as well. So it's called the Quench, all right? Look at the thickness, y'all. Look how it's not going anywhere. I love that automatically because I know it's going to weigh my hair down, which is what I need for my twist out or for my braid out or whatever to act right, okay? You don't need a lot, which means that this stuff is going to last you for a little while. I'm heavy-handed, so I did use quite a bit, but you really don't, especially if you have fine hair. You can actually use a lot less than what I did, but the hydration that I felt in my spirit, I was just really excited because I'm like, look at the definition and the shine. Like, this could be used because it's a hydrating butter. I'm so excited to try to, maybe try this out underneath the gel to see how much hydration I'm going to get. So yeah, these products, y'all, A1, no complaints. I was leery. I'm always leery of products, but yeah. So you guys, this is not a tutorial on how to 3-strand twist because I will jack your life up and confuse you. I'm assuming really bad because the way that I do it, it looks like I'm braiding, and I really don't know how to explain it and to articulate it well, be it a voiceover so that people that don't know how to do it will get it. So I'm sorry, there's other videos on how to 3-strand twist, but yeah, I mean, I tried to slow it down and do it again and zoom in and all that. So if you can take from what I'm showing you, if you don't know how to 3-strand twist, hopefully this is being helpful right now. But if it's not, I get it. I get it. No shade. I understand. My hands look a little, like I'm braiding. They look a little confused. But anyway, I'm 3-strand twisting, and I'm only doing a 3-strand twist to hopefully get more volume because I have more strands to separate. And I haven't done a 3-strand twist out in a very long time. So I thought I would do it using the MICHE product. So just gonna go ahead and finish up my whole entire head, y'all, and get myself together, detangle, get your life, okay, get your life, all right. And I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up, you guys, and then I'll be back with some more commentary. All right. So now it's the next day, you guys. My hair is fully dried and the white stuff has gone away. I rocked just a hat and they shrunk and all that, typical. So of course we're gonna go ahead and move on to the polished hair and scalp oil. This has argan and jojoba oil in it, which is pretty much 2 lightweight oils that are really good at moisturizing. It smells great. And we're just gonna go ahead and say a little silent prayer because I was a little nervous. But let me just show y'all, okay? Look at the takedown, okay? Look at the takedown. I did not expect how easy it was to take this mess down. Y'all see the bounce back? Okay, if you didn't, okay, I slow-moed it down so y'all could see the bounce back. Hold on, here it come. Pow. Oh! Y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh my god. Like, shout out to MICHE for sponsoring this video, but one thing I just don't like about sponsored videos, and the products are actually amazing, people think you're pumping it up, but y'all, you'll get to know me. If you don't know me by now, I ain't gonna pump nothing up, paid or not, if it ain't bomb. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So this, I was just so pleasantly surprised. And just, you know, because you put in all this work in a day rocking some Sealy twists, so you want your hair to come out to your liking, correct? You want your hair to be moisturized and defined. So, and me not being a twist out and, you know, 3-strand twist out type of girl, to get good results is just so refreshing, y'all. It's so exciting. To achieve this shine, y'all, I'm be quiet. No, I'm not, because look at this. Look at the shine, y'all, from a hair butter. If you rock with me, you guys know my hair loves gels. So to get this just from a hair butter, come on, MICHE, I see you. Like, I'm just so happy right now, y'all. I was able to go ahead and separate my hair. I was able to fluff it out by picking it out, and I really didn't receive that much frizz. And I was okay with a little bit of frizz. And y'all see the end result. Like, come on. Y'all, I'm excited. So let me know, you guys, if you tried this line in the comment section, if you liked it, your thoughts. If you are interested in trying this line, I'll definitely leave the information down below for you to check them out. Again, my hair has no hold, but it's very hydrated. It's very soft. I have definition and shine. So I only got about I'll give it 2 days. I got about 2 days, the last day being in a puff. But, you know, that's pretty much expected because I didn't get any hold. But y'all, get your life if you have not tried these products. I'm not here to sell you no products. I'm just showing you guys what worked for me. Now, this is the funny thing. I put this up in my hair like this to show you guys how I would sleep. Then I looked in the mirror and I said, oh, this is a cute style. So I went ahead and puffed it out a little bit, you know, and this was cute. And I said, oh my goodness, like, y'all, I might have to do some 3-strand twist outs again, get to dance and all that. Like, I was just pleasantly surprised, y'all. So I'm in this video right here because I know I'm keep going on about how good these products are. Thank y'all for watching. I hope this video was helpful. You learned something and you laughed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.